Rahul, I would like to know about your machine LTV 30 plus. How is it different from LTV 30?
Okay, firstly, you are very welcome, Mr. Murali, at our stall. Since we have came up here with our all new series machines, what we have exhibited here, starting from turnmill to this machine. Here, this machine is different from our existing model that we have reduced non-cut time here drastically. Also, we have given this machine the capabilities of maximizing the diameter up to the entire length of the vertical turning center. So in this way, this machine is a step, or you can say a facelift version of the our earlier machine, which is LTV 30.
How do you basically improve upon the present machine LTV 30?
Correct.
If somebody wants to enhance the capacity of the machine, is it possible for that?
Yes, it is definitely possible because the entire machine we used to manufacture in our back-end Coimbatore plant. So what is challenges we are facing from the customer's requirement is that they want to increase their productivity with the existing machine set. That is only possible when we reduce the non-cut times, and with the modern toolings we can improve on the cycle time of the components. So taking all these things in consideration, we have improved the rapid of this machine. We have improved the tool change time of this machine. Also, we have come up with the new design, new ages servo turrets for the plus models. Also, we have the possibility of offering customizable solution, bigger fixtures, and modern toolings for these kind of machineries. Apart of all these things, the footprint of these machine has been very compact. So because of that, it is a good floor saving on the floor space also at the job shops.
So we are speaking about more amount of productivity and sustainability with this. Can you go about precision of this particular specification of this product?
The turret what we have considered is hydraulic turret, and also optionally we can offer you the fastest servo turret which is possible. Here you can make 550 diameter up to entire 800 of length, which is highest in this kind of segment by any Indian manufacturer. This is very compact footprint machine. The casting of this machine is the FG300 grade, which have a huge vibration damping characteristics. The repeatability and the positioning accuracy of this machine is very nice. Repeatability is 3 micron plus minus 3 micron, and the positioning accuracy is within 10 micron of this machine. Here we can offer all the customized solution, and here we are serving the automobile industry, commercial vehicles, agriculture, defense components, casting, big casting, valve, pumps. These all can be done on this machine. And apart of enhancing all the features of this machine, we have reduced the size of this machine drastically, where you can save up to 20% of floor space.